Here is the completed puzzle breakdown for the Death of Gambit case in Marvel Rivals. First, you need to find all the clues. Let's find them from the top to the bottom. You just need to click on the shining stars to find a clue. If you are interested in the lore, you can read these through, but I'll move forward and focus only on the solutions. Great. Now it's time to fill in the 12 empty spaces with the correct words. Follow along to complete the puzzle. When that's ready and we have all the clues, the next step is person of interest. The first one is Gambit, then the Hood, and the third one is Black Panther. And we are ready. Check out our other videos to solve the rest of the cases. Thanks for watching.